Hello everyone, myself Ajit, and today's topic we are going to discuss is some telecom transmission units. In this session, we are going to discuss transmission units like dB or decibel, Napier, bit error and bit error rate. One by one we will discuss these transmission units. First unit is decibel. For the systems which operates over different frequency ranges, it becomes necessary to define a unit which was independent of frequency. The unit which represents the useful and convenient concept has been named and defined as Bell, which comes from the name Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of telephone. In practice, a smaller and more convenient unit called decibel, abbreviated as dB, is used. Let us discuss the definition for decibel. It is defined as 1/10 of the common logarithm ratio of relative powers equal to 0.1 bell or 1 decibel. In short, the formula says that x is equal to log of P2 by P1 in terms of bell, or x is equal to 10 log of P2 by P1 in dB, where P1 and P2 are the actual powers and x indicate gain or loss of a system. That means for the given network, if we want to calculate gain or loss, we need to find the ratio of power levels and then calculate the output. Let us take an example. This is a network with input power as 1 watt and output power as 2 watt. Gain calculated as 10 log output divided by input power in dB. So the ratio gives the value of 0.3010 dB. Since it is a positive value, a network has undergone gain because output power seems to be greater than input power. Let's solve one more example based on the same concept. The another network shown here with input power 1 kilowatt and output power as 1 watt. So to calculate gain of the system using the same formula, that is gain is equal to 10 log output divided by input power. So 1 watt is divided by 1 kilowatt converted in terms of watts will gives us 1000 watt. So the calculation is 10 log 10 to the power minus 3 dB, which is comes out to be minus 30 dB. Minus sign indicate that network has undergone loss. So the decibel or bell is a unit to calculate gain or loss of a system, and for that we need to divide powers, that is the output power divided by the input power. Secondly, we have a unit which is known as Napier. Let's try to define Napier. Napier is a natural logarithm of ratio of two voltages or currents. That means in terms of dB we take the ratio of powers, and now in terms of Napier we calculate the ratio of voltages, or vice versa, that is current, by using a formula V is equal to IR. So either it calculated in terms of voltages or in terms of current. Formula is x is equal to log to the base E V1 by V2 and the unit is Napier. Here we can see two voltages are mentioned as V1 and V2, that is input and output voltages, and we calculate Napier by using the formula e to the power x V1 divided by V2. So here we conclude that both decibel as well as Napier are used to calculate system gain or loss. As both units find the same parameter, do we have any conversion between the two units? Yes, we have a conversion from Napier to dB and vice versa. If you know the attenuation of given network in terms of Napier, it can be calculated in terms of dB by using a factor 8.686 attenuation in Napier, provided that resistance value R1 is equal to R2. That is, resistance will be the same. If you know the attenuation in dB, it can be calculated in terms of Napier by using the formula 0.1151 into attenuation in dB. Again the condition remains the same, that is R1 is equal to R2. So till now we understand two units in telecommunications and also the conversion parameter between dB and Napier. Let's move ahead understanding some more parameters related to transmission units. The next unit here is bit error. How do we define the term bit error? When a transmitted bit 1 or 0 is not identified as 1 or 0 at the receiver, the bit is counted as error bit. If we take example, the bit transmitted from transmitter to the receiver is interpreted in a different manner, that is 1 is interpreted as 0 and 0 is interpreted as 1, then such kind of errors are known as bit error. Next transmission unit is bit error rate. The term rate indicates here with respect to a given time. Bit error rate is a measure of error bits with respect to total number of bits transmitted in a given time. For example, if we consider a duration of 1 second and calculates how many bits are transmitted in 1 second, then this value is said to be bit error rate. Bit error rate is very important parameter in a telecommunication system. This requires a good quality of communication. The requirement is not more than 1 error bit in 1 million bits. That is, only one single bit can undergo error in total 10 to the power 6 bits. Bit error rate value is maintained as less as possible so that we get good quality of communication. So any site or any telecom network, before put into an active mode, its bit error rate value properly tested, and so that quality of service is appropriate. So let us review 4 transmission units we discussed till now. First was dB, which is a smaller and more convenient unit. Next is Napier, which is natural logarithm of ratio of two voltages or currents. Third is bit error, and last is bit error rate, which means a measure of error bits with respect to total number of bits transmitted in a given time.